Want to watch YouTube videos without using data or Wi-Fi? Here's how to safely save videos to watch offline in 2025. Launch YouTube. You'll be directed to the home page. Now navigate to any of the video that you wanna download. At the bottom right of the video, you're gonna find 3 dots. Click on that. Now click on the option download video. So you will get this kind of pop-up. You can select medium or low. If you upgrade to the premium version, you can set it to high or full HD. Then click on download. Downloads remain available as long as your device has an internet connection for 30 days. To view your downloaded videos, navigate to U page. Now scroll down and click on the option downloads. Now over here you're gonna find all the videos that you have downloaded. Now even though you are offline, you are able to watch this video. So this is how you can easily save YouTube videos to watch offline. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.